Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check eligibility for Facebook monetization, where you can check your Facebook monetization status. At first, make sure you log into your Facebook account and navigate to the Facebook page you want to check the monetization status. Go to Meta Business Suite. You will be directed to this page. Another way, you can go Creator Studio. Just type Creator Studio on the end of Facebook page link on the tab. In Creator Studio, go to the monetization. Click on this section to begin the process of checking your eligibility. At here, it will display your Facebook page status and tools to try. So, if you have any monetization issue, this is going to be displayed red. But if it will be green here if there is no monetization breaches issue on your Facebook page. You probably want to know what monetization tool access that have met the criteria for your page. All you need to do, go this view page eligibility, click on that. It is going to display your page eligibility. As you can see here, they have not reached the requirements for the monetization tools access. I am going to click on this in Stream Ads drop-down area to display the drop-down. You are going to see all of your Facebook activities in terms of your followers, your eligible minutes viewed, and your active videos. Your page needs to have minimum of 5,000 followers, 60,000 eligible minutes viewed, and you must have at least 5 videos published on your page that are active in order to monetize in Stream Ads. You can check on another monetization tool that Facebook offers. Here, for subscription, you must have at least 10,000 followers or you need 250 weekly returning viewers. You also need 50,000 post engagements and 180,000 minutes viewed across all of your videos. Meanwhile, for the stars, your account must have at least 500 followers for 30 consecutive days and you currently live in an eligible country. So, that's it, the tutorial on how to check eligibility for Facebook monetization. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit thumbs up button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop your comments below. Thanks for watching.